back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS couponing haul on Sunday, June 27 to Saturday, July 3rd, 2021. And today we have so many items and deals, so stay tuned in this channel, and these are all digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with my first deal. So my first deal is if you have 5 of 25 Colgate CVS CRT, you can do this deal together. Buy 2 select Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB, and it's on sale $4.99 each. Also, you can buy 2 select Colgate mouthwash and toothbrush and get back $5 ECB, and it's on sale $4.49 each. Both has a limit 2 per household. You can buy 2 Colgate total mouthwash 500 ml, it's $8.98, it's $4.49. In this transaction, I buy 1 total mouthwash 500 and 1 I buy the Smith's Colgate Swiss Colgate mouthwash. So the total is $8.98. Also, you can buy 2 Colgate manual toothbrush 1 city, it's $8.98. Also, in this transaction, I add 2 Colgate sensitive toothpaste, it's $9.98. So the totals come out $27.94. I use 5 of 25 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use $2 of Colgate Toothbrush Digital. Use $2 of Colgate Toothpaste Digital, and use $2 of Colgate Mouthwash Digital coupon. Also, in this transaction, I use 3 75 cents of Colgate toothpaste. 1 I use the mouthwash and 1 I use the toothbrush on Colgate.com. So my total coupon is $13.25. I just pay $14.69 and get back $10 ECB for the Colgate mouthwash and toothbrush, and get back $5 ECB for the Colgate toothpaste. So my final cost, all this product is free plus 31 cent money maker. I can show you my receipt on this transaction. I buy 2 Colgate mouthwash, it's $4.49. Also, I buy 2 Colgate toothbrush, it's $4.49 each, and buy 2 Colgate sensitive toothpaste is $4.99 each. I use 375 cents of Colgate printable coupon on Colgate.com. I use 3 digital coupon for the Colgate. Use 5 of 25 Colgate Oral Care, and I use my extra buck. I just pay only 69 cents because I don't have $14.60. I don't have exact $15. Yeah, $14.69. So I pay only 69 cents plus tax. So my total is $1.46. So if you count after the extra buck, all the product is free plus 31 cent money maker. My next deal is Speed Stick or Lady Speed Stick deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household, and it's on sale 2 for $5.50. I buy 2 Speed Stick deodorant, it's $5.50. Also, I use $2 of 2 Speed Stick CVS CRT. Also, I use 250 cents of Lady Speed Stick printable coupon on speedstick.com. So my total coupon is $3. I just paid $2.50 and get back $2 ECB. So my final cost is only just 50 cents or 25 cents each. My next deal is CoverGirl cosmetic deal. Buy 2 and get back $6 ECB. I buy 1 CoverGirl Brow and Eye Maker eyeliner is $6.49. Also, I buy 1 CoverGirl Clean Press Powder, it's $8.49. So my totals come out $14.98. I use $3 of $15 CoverGirl Cosmetic CVS CRT. Also, I use $3 of CoverGirl Eye Printable coupon and use $3 of CoverGirl Face Digital coupon. So my total coupon is $9. I just pay $5.98 and get back $6 ECB. So my final cost is free. I can show you my both transaction receipt. I buy 2 Speed Stick deodorant, it's 2 for $5.50, and also I buy 1 CoverGirl Brow Liner, it's $6.49, and 1 CoverGirl Clean Press Powder, it's $8.49. I use 250 cent printable coupon on speedstick.com. Use 1 CoverGirl printable and 1 I use the digital. Also, I have 3 of 15 CVS CRT and 2 of 2 CVS CRT. I just pay my extra buck and it's took 20% off. I don't want to use, but she took it, so I don't want to cancel the transaction, so I use. And I use my $5 and $3 extra buck. I just pay only 43 cents plus tax. So my final cost is for the cover girl is free, and the speed stick is only just 24 cents each after the extra buck. My next deal is Coppertone Sun Care deal. Spend 20 and get back $10 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. I buy 2 Coppertone sunscreen spray. It's $21.98. It's $10.99 each. I use one $3 of $12 any Coppertone Sun Care product CVS CRT. Also, I use $2 of Coppertone product. One I use the digital and one I use the printable. So my total coupon is $7. I just pay $14.98 and get back $10 ECB. So my final cost is only just $4.98 or $2.49 each. So I can show you my receipt in this transaction. I buy 2 Coppertone, it's $10.99. I use $2 of the Coppertone. Oh, I use the both of printable coupon. I have the CRT of $3 of $12 Coppertone CVS CRT. I use my $15 extra box, so I didn't pay anything. Plus I get the $10 ECB back. So the final cost is only just $2.49 each. My next deal is Neutrogena cosmetic deal. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. So I buy 2 Neutrogena makeup remover wipe. It's 21 CT. It's $15.58. It's $7.79 each. I use one $4 of Neutrogena instant coupon on printed on last week. Also, I have one $3 of $15 Neutrogena cosmetic CVS CRT and use one $3 of Neutrogena cosmetic CVS CRT. So my total coupon is $10. I just pay $5.58 and get back $6 ECB. So my final cost is free plus I think 40 cent money maker. Yeah, 40 cent money maker on this transaction. My next deal is Total Home household product deal. Spend $15 on Total Home product and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. I buy 2 Total Home plastic cup 50 CT. It's $6.38. It's $3.19 each. Also, I buy 3 Total Home plastic cup 20 CT. It's $9.57. It's $3.19 each. Also, I buy 1 Total Home plastic bowl 14 CT. It's $3.99 each. So my totals come out $19.94. So in this transaction, I use 4 of $20 household paper product CVS CRT. So in this transaction, that CRT it's work, and that CRT when I scan the product, that CRT is attached with this product. So I want to just try, and my CRT it's going to perfectly fine. So I just pay for this transaction $15.94 and get back $5 ECB. So my final cost is only just $10.94 or $1.82 each. So I can show you my receipt, but in this transaction I have a little bit trouble. My extra buck is not printed and they have the sign over there. That's why I grabbed that product. I buy 320 CT party cup. It's $3.19. Also, I buy the Total Home bowl. It's 14 CT. It's $3.99 each. Also, in this transaction, I buy 2 Neutrogena makeup remover wipe. It's $7.79 and buy 2 party cup 50 CT is $3.19. So in this transaction, I use 4 of 20 household paper products CVS CRT. That coupon is going to perfectly fine and it's attached with this product. Also, I use 4 of Neutrogena cosmetic instant coupon is printed last week, and 3 of 15 CVS CRT and $3 of Neutrogena cosmetic CVS CRT. I just pay with my extra buck $10, $7 and $4. So I pay only 52 cents plus tax. But in this receipt, they show me for the household, I just need to spend $1.44. But all this product, they have the sign over there. So I grab, because in my store only this cup, they have the only 3 left. That's why I grabbed 2 more this one. So I'm not sure why it's crumbed like that, but I just show to her and she printed my extra buck. So make sure to check in your store if they have the label, and then you can grab the product for the total home. My next deal is baby and personal care deal. Spend $20 and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. I buy 3, you buy Cortex liner 50 CTs, $12.47. It's $4.99 each. Also this one is on sale, buy one get one 50% off. Also I buy 3, you buy Cortex liner, it's 40 CT, it's $9.97. It's $4.99 each also, and it's buy one get one 50% off. So my totals come out $22.44. I have 5 of $15 you buy Cortex liner or paid CVS CRT. Also I use 4 of 2 you buy Cortex digital coupon, and I use $4 of 2 you buy Cortex printable coupon on coupon.com. So my total coupon is $17. I just pay $5.44 and get back $5 ECB. So my final cost is only just 44 cents or 7 cents each for this product. So I can show you my receipt in this transaction. I buy 3 40 CT you buy Cortex liner. It's $4.99. The second one is half off. Also in this transaction, I buy you buy Cortex liner 50 CT. It's $4.99. So 1, 2 and 3 they going to half off. I use 3 $4 of 2 Cortex printable, and 1 I use the digital, and 1 I use the 5 of 15 you buy Cortex CVS CRT. I just pay $5 with my extra buck, so I pay only just 44 cents and get back $5 ECB. So my final cost is only just 7 cents each. My next deal is 4 deal. If you have 5 of 25 any food CVS CRT, you can do this deal all together. I buy 2 Chips Ahoy cookies 7 to 13 OZ, it's $6. It's 2 for 6 on sale. Also I buy 2 Kinder Joy single candy, it's $3. It's 2 for $3. Also I buy 2 Kinder Bueno Mini 5.7 OZ, it's $8. It's 2 for $8. Also I buy 4 Airhead candy 5 OZ, it's $8.66. It's $2.89 each. Also I buy 1 Golden Amble gummy, it's $1.59. So my totals come out $27.25. I use 5 of 25 any food CVS CRT. Also I use 1 free Golden Amble candy CVS instant coupon. It took only $1.59 off. So my totals coupon is $6.59. So make sure to, in this transaction, you can use the 5 of 50. If you want to use 5 of 25, you can buy 4 Airhead candy, because if you buy 3 only candy, the 5 of 25 food CRT it's not going through, because like I just add Golden Amble candy, and that candy it's not the included 5 of 25 because it's got directly free product. So just make sure to total $25 before the Golden Amble candy. So I pay only $20.66 and get back $2 ECB for the Chips Ahoy, and get back $1 ECB for the Kinder, and get back $3 ECB for the Airhead. Plus you can get $1 credit for the Kinder and $1.79 for the Kinder Joy in checkout 51. Plus you can get $3 credit for the Ibotta for the Airhead, and get back $1.75 for Sopkick for the Airhead, because it's 450 Sopkick. You can, if you just upload your receipt. Plus you can get $6 for the swag bag for the Kinder Bueno. So my final cost is all this product is only just $1.12 or 10 cents each. So I can show you in my receipt in this transaction. I buy 2 Kinder Bueno Mini 5.70Z, it's 2 for $8. Also I buy 2 Kinder Joy, it's 2 for $3. I buy 2 Chips Ahoy cookies, is 2 for $6. Also I buy 4 Airhead candy, it's $2.89. The one it's half of $1.45. Also I buy Golden Amble gummy, it's $1.59. So the $1.59 because it's free candy this week. Also I use 5 of 25 food CVS CRT, plus I use my $20 extra buck. So I just pay only 66 cents plus tax. So the final cost is all these products after the Ibotta, Shopkick and checkout 51 and swag bag. So the final cost is only just $1.12 or 10 cents each. My next deal is any Hallmark item deal. Buy 2 and get 1 free. So I buy 9 Hallmark bow. It's $7.74. It's $1.29 each. It's buy 2 get 1 free. So and I use 2 $4 of 8 Hallmark card CVS CRT. So I pay only 24 cents. So my final cost is only just 2 cents each. Because in my store they don't have the 9 Hallmark bow, $1.29. That's why I add $1.79. So my total is 24 cents. Otherwise it's free. So in this transaction, did you see, like I buy 1 bow, it's $1.79, and the other one it's $1.29. But the free one, it's took only $1.29, $1.29 and $1.29. I use 2 4 of 8 CVS CRT. I just pay only 24 cents. So my final cost is only just 2 cents each. So friend, this is my this week CVS couponing haul. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.